Hey, good evening, everybody. Um, this is not normally a type of video. I mean, this video, yeah, sure. But in the next, I want to say probably maybe 14 days at most, something like that. Not real sure how long it's going to take to get here. Um, you're going to see me doing another unboxing video. Only this time it's going to be MREs. I know, a bunch of y'all are going, Jesus, privateer, seriously. But hear me out. A buddy of mine who he, for whatever reason, loves MREs. Hey, go for it. He called me up, said he's never seen me doing an MRE review on the channel. He said, if I send you $200, you, I want you to go buy $200 worth of MREs, go to Minotaur Trading Company. No, Privateer, is not being sponsored by Minotaur at all. Um, but buddy of mine said if he sends me $200, I got to buy $200 worth of MREs from Bob's uh, company, um, Bob Gaskins over at Minotaur Trading Company. Uh, I figured, why not? I mean, one, it's one review. Two, it's adding $200 worth of preps to my stash. Uh, and also, one of the other reasons why my buddy told me to do this is if you go to their website and scroll down, there is a tip jar that's going to help out families that have had problems. Uh, I can't remember which videos it is, but if you really want to see it, go back between December of last year and I believe the first week of this year that Bob put out a video detailing where that tip jar money is going. There's some people on there that could really use it. Uh, I know. Again, I know it's an MRE review, and I know a lot of y'all are looking at the screen going, "Why?" But one, it's a good cause because it got me over there to help out with those, help those people out some. Two, uh, I mean, hey, it's helping me out by adding to my stash, and I don't even have to, I don't have to spend the money on it. So, and not exactly sure when it's going to get here. I'll have to look at the tracking information for that. But we'll keep you up to date. And when it comes in, I will do an unboxing / review. Y'all have a blessed day.